tornado here. This is in far southwest Oklahoma to the north.
Yeah, oh, I got it. Great on streaming video.
Right there, big tornado! Here it comes, the dust! Look at the dirt! Here it comes! We're okay, we're okay! Okay, southerlies. I lost visual of it. Got me right for this.
Reed, look right above your head! I just pulled out the window or what? Wow! Oh, we gotta go.